Good morning, friends. In previous lecture of heat transfer, we discussed about the introduction of radiation, what is the condition for radiation, how radiation is transferred from one body to another body, and what is emissive power and irradiation. And we already discussed that if any heat is transferred from one body to another body through radiation, how it is splitted. So the radiation transfer on any body that the radiation received by any body, we called it total irradiation G. We can divide it in three forms that we discussed: reflection, absorption and transmission. So from energy balance equation we can say Q is equal to QR plus QA plus Q tau. So we know the fraction of total incident radiation that are reflected by material. The fraction of total incident radiation that are reflected by the material is called reflectivity. So we discussed previous theory. From that we are discussing the property of radiation, in which first is reflection. So reflectivity rho, energy reflected QR, and total incident radiation Q. In previous figure we saw that the Q is the heat radiation or heat transfer through radiation on the body, and QR is, so some portion is reflected from the material, is known as reflectivity. So reflectivity is energy reflected QR upon total incident radiation Q. Next term is absorptivity. We know that the some amount of heat is absorbed by the material itself. So it is depends on the property of material. So what is absorptivity? Alpha absorptivity is energy absorbed QA upon total incident radiation Q. Energy absorbed QA upon total incident radiation Q. So some portion of radiation is absorbed, so it is QA. And the third property is transmissivity. The energy transmitted Q tau upon total incident radiation Q. So some energy is transmitted from the body or through the body, it is known as Q tau. So transmittivity tau is equal to energy transmitted Q tau upon total incident radiation Q. So total irradiation received by any body is splitted in three portions: reflection, absorption and transmission. Now we all know that the total Q is equal to QR plus QA plus Q tau, and we know the property. So summation of all property using law of conservation, rho plus alpha plus tau. So reflectivity, absorptivity and transmissivity. We know the equation of that. Rho is the reflection, QR upon Q. Alpha is for absorption, QA upon Q. And tau is for transmission, Q tau upon Q. So solving this equation, we get the QR plus QA plus Q tau upon Q. We all know, and already we discussed in our previous class, Q is equal to QR plus QA and plus Q tau. So we can replace this summation with the Q. So it is Q upon Q. So answer is 1. So for any body, rho plus alpha plus tau is equal to 1. So absorption plus reflection plus absorption plus transmission is equal to 1 always. Now we are going to discuss some surfaces according to this property. So we have rho, alpha and tau. According to this, we going to categorize some surfaces. First is black body, the body which absorb entire radiation. So we all know that any solar apparatus are coated with the black surface so that they get more radiation from the sun. Why? Because the absorption for that body is 1. So alpha is equal to 1, absorptivity is 1. So if alpha is 1, it is ideal condition. There may be some losses, but for the any black body, alpha is equal to 1. If we put alpha 1 in this equation, we get rho and tau is 0. Next one is opaque body, the body which has negligible transmission, the body which has negligible transmissivity of energy. So tau is equal to 0 and rho plus alpha is equal to 1. So there is no transmission of radiation, so only absorption and reflection is there. So tau is equal to 0 and rho plus alpha is equal to 1. Next is white body, the surface which reflect the total radiation. If we use a white body in any material, we will not get any energy or any heat due to radiation. So for that, rho is equal to 1. All incident energy reflected from any body. So for that, alpha and tau is 0. Gray body, the body which has its absorptivity equal to its emissivity. And what is emissivity, we will discuss in our next class. For now, you just remember this definition: the body which has its absorptivity equal to its emissivity. And last is transparent body, the body which is transmit the entire radiation. So the body which is transmit entire radiation, for that tau is equal to 1 and alpha and rho become 0. So these the 5 types of different body we will use in radiation theory. Thank you.